Today we're going to speak about penicillins. Penicillins are antibiotics that are used to treat a number of different bacterial infections. These include otitis media, strep throat, pneumonia, skin infections, and urinary tract infections, among others. It's taken by mouth, or less commonly it's taken by injection. They're bactericidal, and what that means is that they kill bacteria rather than inhibiting the growth of the bacteria. They do this by acting and interfering with the bacterial cell wall synthesis, so the formation of the cell wall. Let's simplify this just to make it easier to understand. So imagine your bacteria being little invaders that are trying to set up a fort inside your body. These bacteria have a protective wall around them, kind of like a castle wall, which keeps them safe from attack. Penicillin is like a superhero. It specializes in breaking down those walls. It targets the bacteria and latches onto the walls whilst they're trying to build them. Bacteria are always remodeling and rebuilding their walls, much like how we paint or repair our houses. But when penicillin shows up, it stops the bacteria from being able to build those walls correctly. Without a proper wall, the bacteria can't survive, and they need these walls to keep them in shape and protect them from the outside environment. The cool thing about penicillin is the fact that it only targets bacterial cell walls, and it doesn't hurt the human cell walls. It's like a superhero that has a special code that only targets the enemy's walls and leaves the friendly buildings alone. And that's primarily because human cells don't have the same kind of walls that bacteria do. So penicillin only goes after the bad guys. However, just like in common comic books, the villains get smarter over time, and certain bacteria have learnt to resist penicillin. And this is what we call antibiotic resistance. And they've changed their walls or found ways to keep penicillins from binding to them. So that's why scientists are keen on creating new antibiotics to sort of create a bigger team of superheroes, sort of like the Avengers, each with their own special abilities to fight against bacteria in various ways. Penicillin, however, is the first one, and it's still used today because it works really well against certain types of bacteria. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.